My name is Jason Sullivan, and I'm here at the Naples High School baseball fields. In the coming season, baseball as well as softball games will have a completely different feel and look to them as work begins to change the playing surface from grass to turf.
Naples High School will be the first school in the district to have their fields undergo a transformation to fully turfed fields.
Naples High School is actually the first school that is going to undergo the renovation because we have the least amount of practice space. They're actually going to transition to all of the high school fields being synthetic for baseball and softball.
One of the biggest reasons for this change? Maintenance. Naples' limited practice spaces mean that the fields receive a lot of use, especially during the fall, when multiple sports are competing for field time.
Well, certainly the main advantage is the maintenance and the time required to maintenance the field that a lot of us on our coaching staff and even the players do ourselves. So just from the time spent on the field, it's a huge advantage to have turf.
The change in playing surface is not only going to have an impact on groundskeeping, but also the way the game is played. Coaches and players are looking forward to it and are optimistic about what to expect.
I think it'll be easier for our girls to read hops as to having to play the dirt when it's all messed up. I think our defense will just be a lot better in general.
I think it's going to be a long process over the summer. We're not going to be able to practice, but I think it's going to be for the better. And less bad hops in the infield, and the outfield's all going to be flat. So it's going to be overall better and great for all the future generations coming up.
The planning that has gone into the change has been collaborative to ensure that when the fields are done, there will be a look and feel that everyone can enjoy.
The coaches have been very involved in helping to make sure that the design is what we want it to be, because it will be the design for a long time to come.
I'm proud to say that Naples, right here in the middle of town, will be the first one that has turf next year. And that'll be nice when people drive by and see our complex, and I'm really excited to see that.